A question that is often asked about echinacea is whether you can use it long-term or not. Is it safe to use long-term? We can state the following about Echinaforce. Not all echinaceas can say this, but we can say this about the product Echinaforce. A study was done through the Common Cold Institute at the Cardiff University in England. And Professor Ron Eccles was the person that was responsible for doing this study. Now, something interesting that Eccles always says is, many products get tested every single year for common cold treatments and prevention, but many fail. And he did not have great hopes to see what this natural product will also do. And he started with 755 patients that either used a placebo or they used Echinaforce over a 4-month period. And then they would determine how many times the people during those 4 months would get a cold, how long the duration would be of the cold or the flu, and how many extra medication, co-medication, would be required by the patient to help them to recover from the infection that they had. What they found is that Echinaforce is a safe product to use long term. Secondly, they found that people had less recurring infections, less bouts of colds, less bouts of flu, that when they did have it, they recovered quicker when they used Echinaforce and they had the cold or flu, and they required less medication. A.Vogel knew that he could take his Echinaforce every single day of his life. And today scientists have shown and proven it to us that Echinaforce used long-term has got no side effects on the body, that it is safe to be used long-term, that it is a product that helps us to prevent colds, but also treat colds and flu. But it's also a product that helps us not be dependent so much on extra medication to help us when we are ill. Echinaforce is a product that can be given all year round to everybody at any age, young and old, as a prevention and as treatment for colds and flu.